Welcome to CryptoSafe. In this video, we will be looking at the latest updates and the implications of these price actions in RSR and ETH. We will also be taking into consideration certain important factors that will help us determine the nature of price actions that we may see in the times ahead. Technology is one of the most crucial factors that determine the extent to which we will see growth in any cryptocurrency. The manner in which certain cryptocurrencies have been progressing in terms of the technology being used by them amazes us and provides us with an insight into the potential that they may have in the times ahead. Today, we will be telling you all about cryptocurrencies and the most recent updates in the market. In today's video, we will be speaking about Ethereum and reserve rights and will tell you in depth about the kind of price movements that may take place in the times ahead. We will also be taking into consideration certain factors that will make a significant impact on the prices and will also lead to major updates in the coming times. So, watch this video till the end to learn more about cryptocurrencies and hit the like button to help this channel out. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications and let us know in the comment section what you feel about the cryptocurrencies that we speak of in this video. Before we start, please allow us to inform you that we are giving away $20 to a random person who will subscribe and like this video. The results will be announced at the end of every month, so don't forget to press the like button. On that note, let's look into the Q4 reports for the two currencies, shall we? The first currency that we're going to start with is RSR, or the Reserve Rights Token. This token is a dual token stablecoin platform launched in May 2019. Before going on with its price movement and market update, let's go through its history. After having a successful initial exchange offering, the token went on to test for its all-time highs and has been doing great since the beginning of this year. Reserve Rights has a dual token setup that includes a stablecoin known as the Reserve Stablecoins, or RSV, backed by assets that are managed by smart contracts. The second token is the Reserve Rights Token, which is built to keep the RSV token at its stable position, which is $1.00 price target through a system of arbitrage opportunities. The major difference between the two is that RSV is a stablecoin, whereas the Reserve Rights Token is a rather volatile one. Apart from keeping the RSV token stable, RSR is used to vote on governance proposals to help the framework of the reserve rights ecosystem. Coming to the main part, what makes reserve rights unique? Well, first of all, there are a lot of stablecoins in the market, but most of them are backed directly by the US dollars and are kept in the bank's reserve account, looked over by a trusted custodian. However, reserve rights, on the other hand, are not backed by the US dollars, but a number of cryptocurrencies are kept for this job, overall being managed by smart contracts. Cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, USD Coin, TrueUSD, and Paxos are kept in the basket for this purpose. The developers are looking forward to transitioning to a more diverse basket with a lot more cryptocurrencies later in the near future, so that it can also include fiat currencies, securities, commodities, and complex asset types, such as derivatives and synthetics. The Reserve platform has been creating a lot of news nowadays. Currently, Reserve is Under the Radar, a cryptocurrency-powered payment app that has been gaining traction across Latin America. In a news article given out by Cointelegraph titled, "Stablecoins Payment App Reserve Helps Individuals Protect Their Savings Against Inflation in Latin America," Reserve has been acting as the most convenient tool for people to convert their local currencies to US dollars if those currencies are going to higher inflation levels via its Reserve stablecoin. Till then, the platform has recorded a total sign-up of over 367,000. The Reserve app users convert their money into US dollar stablecoins so that they do not have to worry about the devaluation of money. After this, over a period of a month, or maybe weekly, they can convert back their money to their local currency to transact with the local economy. Reserve has updated their work for Q4 very recently. The developers are aiming to launch the full protocol of the mainnet launch in its Q4 of 2021. It was also addressed by the developers that there are multiple security levels that are required to be achieved, and security analysis takes up a massive amount of time. From the announcement released on their website, it is understood that the protocol will have two levels, a high level and a low level. For the high level, the rules for the protocol and its decentralized governance must have that perfect security, and the design should be on point to save it from any economic or political attack. For the low level, the code is required to be evaluated carefully. The security factor has been given the highest priority by the team. Coming to the next most exciting news, Reserve has updated its RSR release schedule. The initial RSR supply will be 100 billion tokens, from which 13.16 billion tokens are currently in circulation, 49.44 billion tokens are in the slow wallet, coded with a 4-week delay after each withdrawal order, and 37.4 billion tokens are locked and will be progressively unlocked during a 6-month period starting on mainnet launch. The positive catalysts on the token are quite strong and are highly likely to push the token back to its resistance levels. Currently, RSR is trading at 3.4 cents with a red of 8.04% change in the last 24 hours. The price action is following a strong downfall, giving a bearish outlook. On 19th November, it bounced off from its support at 3.2 cents. However, the trend does not appear to be as strong as it should be. Overall, due to the strong influence of the upcoming catalysts, we would see RSR trading higher than could be possible by the end of this year. So, while the token is consolidating, this is the better time to enter the market and gain the maximum returns. Moving on to our next crypto of the day, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency and the godfather of smart contracts. Ethereum does not need any introduction as such, but you need to know that this currency, as it went up after the market started to revive after the crash, is likely to go up again. It is expected that Ethereum might surge highly in its fourth quarter. Firstly, Ethereum has gone through a lot of massive network updates. The hard fork update on 5th August raised a high bullish outlook for the token. Also, Ethereum 2.0, which appears to be even more groundbreaking, is a set of interconnected upgrades that will make Ethereum more scalable, more secure, and more sustainable. There are several phases to its launching. The first one, the Beacon chain, launched in December 2020. The final phase of this update is expected to take place in 2022. This update will involve sharding, a process wherein the network will be divided into subsets of nodes to improve efficiency. Also, Ethereum is on its way to shifting its system protocol from proof of work to proof of stake. And for the same, it has also launched a staking pool that will allow users to earn rewards and grow their Ethereum holdings into the official POS smart contract for a certain period. Because a massive amount of Ethereum has been deposited in the Ethereum 2.0 staking contract, and the total amount of Ether has dropped to record lows across all cryptocurrency exchanges. This indicates a supply squeeze for Ethereum, which will provoke more investors to join the Ether market. Currently, Ethereum is trading at $4,061 with a red of 4.03% change in the last 24 hours. The price saw a downward spiraling correction, which is likely to move back into the previous position. Overall, investing in Ethereum is always better because the token is not going to drop down anytime soon. Let's consider the positive catalysts that are going to happen next year. The price is going to rise phenomenally. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications to never miss out on any new updates from us. Also, comment below your views on Quarter 4. We will see you all in our next one.